If you are ready to make 2023 the year that you become wealthy, this one is for you. 2022 was rough. We know that. It was a year with a lot of uncertainty, inflation, war, whole heap of things were happening. But 2023 can be different. If you make up your mind and change your mindset and say, I am ready to continue, to start, to get on that wealth building journey, then that's what you need. I am here, Keisha Bailey, to help you get started on that journey. I want you to think about the changes in habits that you can make this year, 2023, to make 2023 be that jump start year for you when you think about wealth creation. Can we start investing? Can we start building that emergency savings? Can we get rid of the bad credit card and the payday loan? If you say, yes, I'm ready, then you need to become a Profit Jumpstarter client. Go in the link in bio, sign up now to get started on that wealth building journey. Time waits for no man or woman or boy or girl. So today is the day. 2023 is here. Let us make that change for a wealthier lifestyle.